In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Asana tasks to Google Sheets. This is a really handy workflow if you want to analyze your tasks, create reports, or share project data with people who don't use Asana. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll have a live Google Sheet connected to your Asana project. First, open Asana and select the project whose tasks you want to export. Make sure you're in the correct workspace or organization and that you have access to the project. You can choose any project view, but the list view is usually the most convenient when you're preparing to export. Take a moment to confirm that the tasks, sections, and fields you want to see in the spreadsheet are visible in the project, because that's the information that will carry over to Google Sheets. Next, look towards the top of your project, near the project name. You'll see a small arrow or drop-down icon. This is usually located in the upper right area of the project header. Click on that small arrow. This opens a menu with several options related to your project settings and integrations. From this drop-down menu, find and click on the option labeled Export or Sync. This is the menu that Asana uses for getting your project data out into different formats and tools. When you click it, you'll see several choices such as CSV export and integrations with other apps. From the Export or Sync options, choose Google Sheets. Click directly on Google Sheets. Asana will then start the process of creating a connected spreadsheet. What this does is set up a live link between your Asana project and a new Google Sheet, so that updates in Asana can be reflected in the sheet over time, depending on how the integration is configured. Once you've clicked to Google Sheets, simply follow the on-screen prompts. You may be asked to sign into your Google account or confirm which account to use. You'll likely need to grant Asana permission to create and manage the spreadsheet in your Google Drive. Accept the permissions if you're comfortable with them, and then let Asana finish setting things up. After a few moments, a new Google Sheet will open, showing your Asana tasks organized into rows and columns. From here, you can filter, sort, and build charts just like any other spreadsheet, all based on your Asana project data.